Okay guys, in this Midjourney Discord bot tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write Midjourney portrait prompts. So I'm going to start with high texture quality portrait of young girl or young woman with freckles and crystal blue eyes. You can improvise on this any way you want, but this is just an example. So here's our first generated portrait. And the funny thing about this example, her hair is red, even though it's nowhere mentioned in the prompt. That's because Midjourney AI bounced off the idea of freckles. We'll see how that's going to change in the next examples. So here, all I'm going to do is copy and paste the same portrait prompt I just used into the imagine command. But at the end of my prompt, I'm also going to add with a wreath in her hair. So let's go ahead and see what Midjourney bot is going to generate now. So here's the slight alternative to our previous portrait prompt. And as you can see, the girl has the wreath in her hair. So I'm going to copy and paste the same prompt, but this time I'm going to add at the end here, wearing sunglasses. Now, this one's kind of interesting because the sunglasses don't really have the shade in them. It's just, they look like regular glasses. It's really just the shape of the sunglasses that's correct. But that's a really interesting take. And finally, in this last example of a Midjourney portrait prompt, I'm going to copy and paste the same thing, but I'm going to add wearing high detail Venetian mask. So here's Midjourney prompt generating the image for us. Now, again, it's not perfect because you see how the eyes are, but for the most part, this is how you create portrait prompts in Midjourney.